All right, so I just wanted to show you Hondo's amazing wiring work. So this is our amp board fully prepped. We got our distribution block with our 1-aught power, 1-aught ground. Got the 3 amplifiers, our DSP, our audio interface, and just wanted to show you. So it's plug and play. So this is the plug which basically controls all the speaker connections. So this will plug in the back because this module allows us to replace the factory amplifier. So you plug in all these connectors, which are in essence bypass the factory amplifier and now feed the new speakers with our amplifiers. So here we have all the wiring that's going to run to the front for the DRC, which is a remote control for the DSP processor, our USB cable so that when we do our tuning, and then we also are going to run new tweeter wires to the front A pillars. And then lastly, this is our sub out. So this will run under the seat because we're going to build an under seat enclosure with one of our PowerWorks disconnect. But again, the nice thing is, as you can see, everything is plugs. Power and ground are the only 2 actual connections that we make, that we run. And then the whole unit bolts in using stock mounting locations in the vehicle. So the nice thing about doing it this way is the car is 100% reversible. There's no holes, no cutting, no nothing damage to the vehicle whatsoever.